do it. There it goes this way. This might be a little tricky. So I'm trying a million ways there to get, see there's a joint right here. And there's a joint right here. I'm trying a million ways to get this out, but crowbars and screws and stuff, and it's just breaking up. It's moving, but got it separated here. And they're kind of like glued together. I got it separated. If I get one out, maybe I can get a crowbar under there and lift the rest of it out. But I'm almost thinking I'm going to use a. Sounds dangerous, but I think I'm going to maybe use a chainsaw on this, just to get the middle out and then just collapse it. This is going to take forever. Well, after a couple hours of chainsawing and chiseling, I'm going to say halfway to the bottom, a little more. The middle, I'm going to get the middle. If I get it into two pieces, I'm figuring maybe pry it out each individual side. I can't do it all in one piece, that's for sure. So this is slow going. 2 hidden screws down there.
under. Nice, look at the inside, beautiful. Then we have one plastic thing, so I just sort of it off.